Have you ever seen these glowing stones? They're called fluorite, and they have a really interesting property. When they're exposed to UV light, like from the sun or a fluorescent lamp, they glow. Here's how they're formed and why they're so beautiful. First, we need some rocks. These rocks will be the host for our glowing stones, and they'll provide the elements that make it possible for the rocks to glow. Specifically, we need rocks that have calcium and fluorine in them, like limestone or shells. Limestone is made of calcite, which is mostly calcium carbonate. Shells are also mostly made of calcite, but they often have a little more fluorine in them because seawater has a lot of fluorine. When those rocks are exposed to high-energy UV radiation, like from the sun, the rocks absorb the energy and transform into their excited colored states. This means that some of the electrons in the atoms of the rock have moved to higher energy levels. When they return to their normal state, they release the energy as visible light. So now we have glowing rocks, but why are they different colors? The color depends on the specific elements and minerals present in the rock. For example, if the rock contains manganese, it might appear pink or red. If it contains copper, it could be blue or green. And if it contains iron, it might be yellow. And these aren't the only rocks that can do this. Many minerals can absorb UV radiation and then glow. For example, apatite can glow blue or green, and sphalerite can glow red. And the sun is full of other elements that can cause rocks to glow under UV radiation. For example, the sun's rays can make some rocks look like this. Can you imagine what it must have been like to first discover these glowing rocks? I think it must have seemed like magic. If you enjoyed learning about glowing stones, you can learn more about fluorescence and phosphorescence in this playlist. All of these videos are made possible by a university and a museum.